Oxford Lane Library. Thanks for joining me today. We're gonna do a musical themed story time today, but first let me see those 10 little fingers. I have 10 little fingers, they all belong to me. I can make them do things. Would you like to see? I can shut them up tight or open them real wide. I can put them all together or make them all hide. Where'd they go? I can make them jump high. I can make them jump low. I can fold them quietly and hold them just so. And now you're ready for story time. Our first book today is the classic Elephant and Piggie book, Listen to My Trumpet by Mo Willems. Thanks to Hyperion Books for Children for letting me read this to you today. Gerald! Sit, sit, sit! Do not move! I have a trumpet! Do you want to listen to my trumpet?
Yes, please.
Here I go! Wait! That was not right!
Not right at all.
That is better!
Better? Yikes. That is not music. Piggy sounds like my Aunt Molly with a cold.
And now the big finish!
Finished?
Finished! So, what do you think of my trumpet?
Your trumpet is... Yes?
Go on!
Your trumpet is loud.
And
Your trumpet is shiny.
and
You, hold your trumpet very well.
and I'm waiting.
Piggy, you are my friend, and I am your friend. So I will tell you the truth. Your trumpet is loud and shiny, and you hold it well, but that was not music. Sorry.
Gerald, you think I am trying to make music? I am trying to speak elephant. I want to sound like you.
Oh, but Piggy, your accent needs work. I will teach you.
Yay!
Try more ich in your...
All right, our next activity, we're gonna sing a great song. It's based on a classic. I bet you all know the song, The Wheels on the Bus. Well, this is a silly version of that, and it's based on a great picture book called The Seals on the Bus by Lenny Hort. So let's get started. All right. No, and follow along with the animal noises. I know you can do them at home. The seals on the bus go erp, 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 erp. The seals on the bus go erp, 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 all through the town. The sheep on the bus go ba, 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 ba. The sheep on the bus go ba, 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 all through the town. The geese on the bus go honk, 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 honk. The geese on the bus go honk, 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 all through the town. The monkeys on the bus go ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ee, ee. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ee, ee. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ee, ee. All through the town. The skunks on the bus go pss, 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 pss. The skunks on the bus go pss, 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 all through the town. The vipers on the bus go hiss, 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 hiss. The vipers on the bus go hiss, 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 all through the town. The tigers on the bus go rawr, 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 rawr. The tigers on the bus go rawr, 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 all through the town. Can you guess what the people do? What would you do? Let's see. The people on the bus go help, 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 help. The people on the bus go help, 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 all through the town. All right, our second book is based on the classic song that I bet you all know, Old Macdonald Had a Farm. This is Old Macdonald Had a Boat by Steve Gatz, illustrated by Ada Caban. And thanks to Chronicle Books for letting me read this to you today. All right, I hope you'll follow along and sing at home. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a truck, E-I-E-I-O, with a slow, slow here and a slow, slow there. Here a slow, there a slow, everywhere a slow, slow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a saw, E-I-E-I-Whoa, with a buzz, buzz here and a buzz, buzz there. Here a buzz, there a buzz, everywhere a buzz, buzz. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All right, try and figure out what they're building in this, okay, before the end. Try and figure it out. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a hammer, E-I-E-I-Do! What did Old MacDonald do? Ooh. With a, get your hammer out, bang, bang here and a bang, bang there. Here a bang, there a bang, everywhere a bang, bang. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a torch, E-I-E-I blow, with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a sander, E-I-E-I-O. All right, get your hand out. It's gonna be your sander. I want you to carefully sand your thigh with a shh here and a shh there, here a shh, there a shh, everywhere a shh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a bucket, E-I-E-I glow. What are they doing with that bucket? They're painting. With a roll, roll here and a roll, roll there. Here a roll, there a roll, everywhere a roll, roll. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a trailer, E-I-E-I heave-ho, with a splish splash here and a splish splash there. Here a splash, there a splish, everywhere a splish splash. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Did you see what they built? A ramp. They built a ramp. And on that farm he had a boat, E-I-E-I-tow. Oh, they got out the jet skis and the water skis. How fun. The end. All right, and to finish up, I've got a little craft for you to make at home, a little musical craft. And this is a craft stick harmonica. Amazing. All you need for this, 2 jumbo-sized craft sticks, 3 rubber bands, and a straw that you're going to cut up. So if you want to learn how to make this, look below for instructions. Thanks for joining me today, everybody.